function is an expression wherein it defines a relationship of one variable into another variable, such as an independent variable and dependent variable. Now, in the function y equals f of x, the independent variable there is the f of x, and the dependent variable there is the y. So, if there's an instance that a function, there is a given f and g, we are going to define the following operations such as the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient. So, let's take a look at this. First, we have here the sum. It says here that f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Now, the difference is that the f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. And then we also have here the product. The f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. And then, of course, the last one is the quotient. The f over g of x equals f of x over g of x, wherein the g of x here is not equal to 0. Now, let us have some examples of this. So, if we are given here an f of x, which is equal to 2x squared minus 3, and the g of x equals x plus 1. So, first we are going to add these two functions. So, just by following the formula, we have here f plus g of x equals the f of x plus the g of x. And then we are just going to substitute the values of f of x and the g of x. So first we have here the f of x. So you're going to write here 2x squared minus 3, and then plus the value of g of x, which is 3x plus 1. Now, since we are just going to add the functions, you're just going to copy 2x squared minus 3, and then since the function, the g of x here is, the function of g of x here is a positive number, so we're not going to change their signs. So that will remain as plus 3x plus 1. Now we are going to simplify this. So let us combine the like terms and then just copy the others. So 2x squared plus 3x, and then negative 3 plus 1, that will become negative 2. So our final answer for the addition of the f of x plus g of x is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now let us move on to the difference. We have here the f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. So let us just do the same. We're just going to substitute the values of f of x and g of x. That is 2x squared minus 3 minus 3x plus 1. So that will become 2x squared minus 3. And then since we have here the negative sign, we're going to multiply the negative sign to the numbers inside the parentheses. So negative times 3x, that will become negative 3x, and then negative times positive 1, that will become negative 1. So the next step is that we are going to combine like terms. So 2x squared, and then just copy negative 3x, and then simplify negative 3 minus 1, that will become negative 4. So that's our final answer for the difference. Now what about the product? So we have here the f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. So let us substitute the given values. 2x squared minus 3 times 3x plus 1. So simplify. We are going to multiply 2x squared minus 3 times 3x plus 1. It's either by using the FOIL method or just the basic way of multiplying polynomials. So, negative 3 times 1, that is negative 3. And then negative 3 times 3x, that is negative 9x. And then 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared. And then 2x squared times 3x, that will become 6x cubed. So let us add them all. We have here 6x cubed plus 2x squared minus 9x minus 3. So that is our final answer for the product. And last but not the least is the quotient. The f over g of x equals 2x squared minus 3 divided by 3x plus 1. So we've already substituted the values, and then we cannot simplify 2x squared minus 3 over 3x plus 1. So be it. As long as the value of the g of x here is not equal to 0. That's it.